Right. Sound deadening before. And with some sound deadening. Still a bit of an echo up there. I'll show you what I've done. Right, I haven't fixed them up on the wall yet, and I haven't covered them yet. I've got some material, but it's just one fairly thin piece of rockwool in a frame. Two there, which will be behind the speakers. They'll be mounted up about halfway. The one on the floor is going to go on the ceiling, and yeah, one each on the wall, so it'll be up about there like that, away from the wall, so the sound gets to bounce, goes behind, bounces off the wall into the rock wall. Should be fun.